Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Have you ever struggled with eyeliner that smudges halfway through the day, or mascara that flakes and leaves your lashes looking sparse? Well, today we're exploring a classic duo designed to solve both of those beauty headaches. The L'Oréal Paris Lineur Intense Eyeliner paired with the Voluminous Original Mascara. If you love bold, dramatic eyes without constant touch-ups, stick around. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any honest reviews from us. The Lineur Intense Eyeliner comes in a sleek 0.24 phthalates liquid formula with a precision brush tip, promising long-lasting, smudge-proof definition. The Voluminous Original Mascara, at 0.26 phthalates, is formulated to build lashes up to 5 times their natural thickness, featuring a volume-maximizing brush that's designed to separate and coat every lash. Both products are from L'Oréal Paris, the #1 beauty care brand, and together, they create a full, bold eye look while conditioning lashes to stay soft and supple without clumping or flaking. Testing these in my daily routine, the eyeliner was incredibly easy to apply. The fine brush tip allowed me to draw both thin, precise lines and slightly thicker, dramatic strokes without any skipping. It dried quickly, which made layering simple and prevented smudging, even after a full day of wear. The mascara felt lightweight but still delivered noticeable volume and length. It separated each lash beautifully, avoiding that sticky, clumpy look, and my lashes stayed soft to the touch all day. I tried it in the morning and checked several times throughout the day. No flakes, no smudges, and a consistent, bold finish. One of the real highlights here is usability. Both products integrate seamlessly into a standard beauty routine. Whether you're rushing in the morning or going for an evening glam look, they perform reliably. However, the mascara wand can pick up a bit more product than needed at first, so a light wipe on the tube edge helps prevent over-application. The eyeliner's intense pigmentation is fantastic, but beginners might need a steady hand for perfectly even lines. Pros: the eyeliner delivers precise, smudge-proof definition with impressive longevity, and the mascara builds significant volume without clumping. Both are affordable, widely available, and backed by a reputable brand. On the flip side, the eyeliner requires a bit of practice for perfect lines, and the mascara's brush can be a little heavy for very fine lashes, which might necessitate careful application. Considering value for money, this duo is solid. The performance rivals higher-end alternatives, and you're getting 2 effective products in one purchase. The formulation of the mascara with lash conditioning ingredients is a nice bonus that elevates its worth. Compared to other mass-market mascaras and eyeliners, L'Oréal Paris consistently hits that sweet spot between quality, ease of use, and price point. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy, functional, and travel-friendly, and both products maintain their integrity well over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. L'Oréal Paris has a solid reputation for customer support, and while I haven't personally needed assistance, their responsiveness to inquiries and consistent product availability speaks to reliability. No recent updates have altered this classic duo, which is reassuring if you're looking for a trusted staple in your makeup bag. If you're budget conscious but still want similar results, there are some more affordable drugstore mascaras and eyeliners that mimic volume and definition, though few match the smudge-proof precision and conditioning benefits of this combination. For those who value performance and durability without breaking the bank, this duo is an excellent choice. Overall, the L'Oréal Paris Lineur Intense Eyeliner and Voluminous Original Mascara deliver exactly what they promise: bold, dramatic eyes that last with minimal fuss. If you're looking for a reliable everyday duo or a go-to for special occasions, this set is well worth considering. It's best for anyone seeking precise eyeliner application and voluminous conditioned lashes without clumping or smudging. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the comments. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.